Didn't see you there. My name is the Jackhammer. And over here is my assistant, the Fuzzy Pink Bunny. And we're here to introduce you to the triple F4 Circumflex Dominator of Bang. This gun is the biggest thing since sliced bread. This gun includes a tape measure for strangling yourself when you get bored. And just like old times, it includes a bayonet. Duct tape assistant. For stabbing all those unwanted British people who trying to take over America. It's great for securing those pesky people who say hey all the time. Hey. This gun is so magnificent, it shoots 5,000 bullets per second. You ready, Bunny? This gun includes 4 LED flashlights for scaring away deer and such. What are you doing?
I'm afraid of the dark.
Eating comes with takeout. Alright. Is this Chinese restaurant? I'd like an order of spicy chicken. What? No spicy chicken! And oh yeah, did I mention this gun is bigger than sliced bread? Bread! Wheat. This product is hot right now in such countries as Djibouti, Darfur, and Mars. Did I also mention it was hot as cheese? I meant bread. Mold. So what are yours today? With only 16 payments of 6,900 pesos. Can't be doing this shit anymore. I hate bread. My name is Jack, the evil person. Alright, third time's charm. This gun includes a tape measure for strangling. Stop laughing.
I can't.
Strangling yourself. Cut.
Hi.
Who are you pumping?
The hell are you doing?